Today we're looking at part number BD865A-17. This is your Carter hub and drum kit for the 5.2K through 7K axles. Comes boxed and pre-greased, ready to install. So let's open it up and check it out. Alright, the unboxing. So you got your 7,000 pound, well 5.2K through 7K hub and drum with the 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern, meaning it's 8 lug, 6.5 bolt pattern, so it's 6.5 inches from center of this bolt to center of the other bolt going across. It's pre-greased, as you can see, ready to go. Comes with the lug nuts and the Easy Lube grease cap. These are 1/2 inch studs on this particular one, and yeah, let's pull it out. So you're going to get the hub and drum, and it uses the 14125A outer bearing right here, and then it uses the 25580 inner bearing, which is right there. Seal's already pressed in, making it nice and easy to do a quick swap on the side of the road or just replacing your drums. It has the 1/2 inch studs, and it's the Carter brand, of course. Fully interchangeable. Rule of thumb is anything 7K capacity and below, it doesn't really matter what brand it is. They're all interchangeable. They're all going to use the 14125A bearings and the 25580 bearings. You got your lug nuts right here and the grease cap. Easy Lube grease cap. Uses the 12x2 brakes, 12.25x2 inch brakes. Yeah, it's a good little thing to have on you at all times, because you never know when a bearing failure might happen, or you just never know what will happen hauling a load. So you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching. Oh, and you can use electric brakes or hydraulic drum brakes with these, just to let you know. Alright, thanks.